Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As requested by Alina Sam, today I'm sharing an Italian style pasta with a slight Indian touch. I mostly make this dish for my children. My daughter is a big fan of Italian dishes, so I try and recreate restaurant style Italian dishes at home. We personally don't prefer eating out much, so when my children want a particular dish, it's always made at home as a special weekend dinner. Cheat meals made at home are a lot healthier as we use good quality ingredients which may not be so in a restaurant dish. So recreating a dish at home with the available ingredients always brings more joy for the whole family and a great way to bond over the weekend. When my daughter was home last weekend, I made this and it was a super hit with my kids. So when a recipe request came for pasta cheat meals, I thought of sharing this. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this Italian style garlic tomato pasta, I'm using about 10 to 12 garden fresh cherry tomatoes which a friend of mine gave me. However, you can use 2 medium-sized ordinary red tomatoes instead. Now first I'm chopping 8 to 10 garlic cloves and then I'm slicing the tomatoes. I'm also using a handful of parsley. Heat a pan with water and once the water starts to boil, add in 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and then add in 250 grams pasta and allow it to get cooked. Now while the pasta is getting cooked, heat another wide pan and add in 1 tablespoon olive oil, and once the oil is heated, add in the chopped garlic. Once the garlic starts to turn light brown, add in 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes and then add in the sliced tomato and give it a stir. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and mix well and allow the tomatoes to get sauteed for about 2 minutes on low flame. Around this time the pasta will also be cooked. Now strain the cooked pasta and add it into the pan along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pasta water. Mix it really well for about a minute on low flame. Add in 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. What I do is I just crush it with my hands before adding so that the flavors are released. Add in 1/3 teaspoon black pepper powder and mix it all very well. Now add in the chopped parsley and for that extra restaurant flavor, I'm grating in some cheese. Now serve the hot pasta onto a serving plate and grate some more cheese over the pasta and garnish with a sprig of parsley and serve hot. The cheese will melt with the heat of the pasta. Enjoy this garlic flavored tomato pasta as a cheat meal for weekend and do let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.